What do we want?
Free Nigeria.
When do you
free Nigeria? Now.
free Nigeria? Plastic free Nigeria. Now.
Oh, okay, this is
now. How soon do you want it?
Now.
How soon do you want it?
Now.
CJYA wants.
Plastic free Nigeria.
Where do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Plastic free Nigeria.
Is Loretta Boniface. I'm an environmentalist and the national coordinator of the Climate Justice Youth Ambassador Network.
Okay, what is the significance of this awareness?
Okay, today is the World Environment Day 2025, and on this day, the theme for the Global World Environment Day is very unique to us, as it talks about the end of the global plastic pollution. We all agree that the plastic pollution is one problem that is affecting communities. No community will say is immune to the impact, because it's about packaging. People want to package, people want to showcase, and it was actually innovation at some point. But right now it is obscene, it is everywhere, and managing plastic, especially the single-use plastics, are really very difficult, and some of them are not recyclable. What we are doing today is to create awareness, because a lot of people don't even understand that plastic have ill health even to their health, and even affect everybody, even to a newborn baby. The packaging of the plastic, because there's what we call the microplastic, it breaks down to little particles and affects even the health when we drink water and when we even microwave food. So what we are saying is that we're calling for a complete ban on single-use plastics. However, we as young people are also coming together to say that we own the innovation. Part of what we are doing today is to showcase innovation. We have some of our young people here that are coming to show what they are doing in paper, like showcasing the paper bags they are producing and other recyclable materials, things that are recycling from plastic to valuable items, to show you that some of the recyclable are what the innovations need, but the things that are not recyclable should be banned immediately. States like Lagos State have effected the ban. We're also calling for other states in Nigeria and even the Federal Capital Territory to effect that ban and adopt some of these policies for sustainable development and to have a healthier future. Thank you. Yeah.
Now. What do you want? Plastic free Nigeria. Okay, everyone.
My name is Francesca Ede, and I'm the project coordinator for Climate Justice Youth Ambassador. And the consequences of this plastic pollution is the fact that some of this plastic end up in the waterways and in our rivers and seas, which disturbs aquatic life. So as we feed on these animals, we are also feeding on plastic, and it's blocked waterways, which at the end of it causes more flooding and increases the rate at which various other diseases spread across. Also, this plastic pollution also causes the issue of environmental hazard, because this takes ages to decay, and so we would demand that the government provide an opportunity for recycling, more recycling firms, and also encourage entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs who are utilizing plastics to produce more innovative things and material that can be reused, and also ensure that there is a ban on single-use plastics and that proper waste management and disposal of these plastics are being looked into, so that it's not get dumped at everywhere and every corner of the city. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You want it now? What do you want?
Yes. Plastic free Nigeria.
Our land must be strong again. What do you want? What do you want it now? What do we want?
Plastic free Nigeria.
When do you
Free Nigeria.
When do we want it now? What do we want?
Plastic free Nigeria.
When do you want it now? What do you want? Let's go. What do we want?
Plastic free Nigeria. Plastic free Nigeria.
I will meet up.
How soon do you want it? CJYA. Generation restoration.
a video, right?
So like just hand gesture. Yeah, let's just repeat it.
What do we want?
Alright, please tell us your name.
Okay.
Your position.
My name is Dr. Kenneth Akpan. Okay. They know I'm under the sun. Yeah, my name is Dr. Kenneth Akpan. I am the project Climate Justice Project Coordinator for Oxfam in Nigeria, and I'm also the lead for the African Activists for Climate Justice Project, also in Nigeria. It's a Pan-African project it's going on in 8 different countries in Africa, and Nigeria is one of them. And what you're witnessing today is an offshoot of the projects coming together to announce the energy of youth, and on a platform called the Climate Justice Youth Ambassador, where we want to see how youth can engage, how youth can be part of the climate narrative, and also announce their energy to push for policies, to push for actions from governments, from private sectors, from individuals. And today we are marking the World Environment Day for 2025, which the theme says "Beat Plastic." And so we are here to create awareness and also to emphasize on the dangers that plastic poses on our lifestyle, our environment, and also on our general well-being. We can see we have flash floodings here and there. Sometimes plastic clogging our floodways are also contributory to these impacts. People have died, our environment is messed up. So the awareness is to create responsible citizenship towards the use of plastic, and we want to encourage the reuse, recycle, and also we want to use this platform to hold governments accountable in the place of policy making and implementation, particularly at holding companies that are responsible for production of plastics to not just stop at telling people to recycle, but we want them to show people how to recycle, where to recycle, and all of that. So it's a duty, it's a call for duty to both governments, both companies, private and public, to also take that full responsibility to see that the lifespan of plastics are actually taken to the very end and not just leave it to the end users. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So I think
How do we face
You want it now? What do you want? Yes.
Plastic-free Nigeria.
Our men must be strong again. What do you want? Now.